Hello, this is Vivek Rudrappa, your tech expert friend. Imagine you're building a massive theme park, but instead of constructing everything as a one giant block, you design independent attractions. A roller coaster here, a water park there, a food court separately. Visitors enjoy seamless experiences and updates to one attraction don't disturb the others. That's exactly how microfrontends work for modern web applications. In today's video, we will explore what microfrontends are, why they matter for scalable frontend development, how they work in real-world application. Also, stay tuned till the end. I will show you a visual example representation of how this architecture works. Microfrontends is an architectural approach where a web application is broken down into smaller, independent microfrontend modules. Each module is developed, tested, and deployed separately but integrates into a seamless user experience. The key features of microfrontends are decentralization. Different teams own different frontend components. Tech agnostic. One part of your UI can be React, other can be Angular, and another can be Vue. Independent deployment. Each front-end module can be updated separately without affecting other modules. Let's take an analogy. Think of a big online shopping mall like Amazon. The homepage, product listing, checkout are all different services, built separately but working together like pieces of a puzzle. Faster development and deployment. Teams work on independent parts of the application without waiting for others to complete. Let's take example of IKEA, which migrated to microfrontends, saw a faster 40% release cycle, scalability and maintainability. Large applications become easier to manage. Take an example of Spotify uses microfrontends to scale its web and mobile apps efficiently. Tech diversity and flexibility. Different teams can use the best technology for their specific UI component. OpenTable example combines multiple frameworks to ensure a seamless experience across its services. If you take an analogy here, imagine a band where each musician plays their instrument, but together they create a perfect symphony. Each instrument here, front-end component, is independent, yet they all sync harmoniously. The core concepts of microfrontends architecture are composition via API gateway or shell. All microfrontends are loaded into a central shell that manages the routing. Client-side integration using JavaScript frameworks like Module Federation in Webpack or Single SPA. Server-side integration. Server assembles microfrontends before delivering to the browser. Routing and state management. Each microfrontend can have its own routing and state logic. Let's take a real-time example of travel booking website where the flighting booking system is built with React and the hotel booking system is built with Vue.js. The payment processing module is built with AngularJS. As any technology, microfrontends also comes up with its own challenges, and there are solutions for that as well. Let's take number 1, performance overhead. Possible solution would be to optimize lazy loading and use CDN caching. Challenge number 2 is shared state complexity. Every component is developed in a different language. Sharing a state between those components will be a complex. The possible solution would be to use global state management, example Redux Context API. Number 3, UI consistency. Implement a shared design system for uniform styling for all the components in the micro frontends. Number 4, routing conflicts. Use single SPA or module federation to manage routing. Let's take an example of architectural design, how this all works. When there is a user request access, this goes to API gateway, or we can call it as a shell application, the main container that loads different micro frontends. Then the independent micro frontends, like each section in this example, header, search, product listing, others, is built with different frameworks but integrates seamlessly. Upon reaching to each component, we can call the APIs. A backend service handle authentication, product data, and payments. They all work separately but seamlessly. Micro frontends are like modular Lego set for your web application. They allow teams to work independently, scale efficiently, and deliver updates without breaking the whole system. Companies like Netflix, Spotify, and IKEA are already leveraging this architecture. Will your next project be powered by micro frontends? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe to this video channel.